call you? I think she was calling me to see where mommy was. Yeah. Okay, hey guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the beginning clips of this vlog, little get ready with me in my room and shit like that. I just picked up my Starbucks drink, and it's a free Starbucks drink that my sister, she's doing like this promo because she finally launched her blog. You guys should follow her. I'll put her Instagram page right here so you guys can follow her. She has like super cute like mom content, and I picked up this drink. This is the drink that I get. So it's the drink I've been getting lately. I have like several Starbucks drinks, so if you guys want to know what they are, just let me know. So this drink that I got is the iced vanilla chai tea latte, and then I added pumpkin sweet cream to it, and it looks like, damn, it's so cute. I gotta take a picture so she could post it. I'm also going thrifting right now, so I'm going to the LTrain Vintage on DeKalb Street, or DeKalb Ave. I don't know if it's street or Ave, whatever. I'm going to that one because that one is a lot smaller, and I always find like really cute jeans there and like other cute shit. Urban Jungle is cool, but like it's just too big, and it's 5 o'clock. I don't think I'm gonna have time to like look through like a million racks. And they close at like 8, and I have to pick up my boyfriend after from work because he's working today. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna go to the smaller one and, you know, have a little looky, see if I find something cute. Guys, last time you guys saw me, I was thrifting. It was Sunday. I wanted to include that in this vlog because I wanted to show you guys what I ended up picking up at thrift store, but I didn't get to because I got home pretty late, and then yesterday like I wasn't home at all, so I didn't get to show you guys. And then today I put the clothes in the washer, so whenever they get out the washer I will show you guys. I picked up some pretty cool pieces for myself and my boyfriend, so I'm really excited to show you guys. I'll do like a try on little haul in this vlog. I already had my 9 a.m. class. I babysitted already the whole day, and then right now it's like 5 o'clock, so I want to sit down and like just review my work that I've done this week and start some homework for like my accounting class. As for my calendar here, I have already placed everything on like each day, whatever needs to be done this week. And yeah, I want to like get this like really super pretty and like aesthetically pleasing, and I want to put like my little pumpkins and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm pretty like down packed on like how I'm keeping up with like my planning for the semester. And yeah, I hope you guys are also like figuring out like whatever needs to be done. As for today, I'm just, like I told you guys, I'm just gonna do my homework, catch up on as much things as possible for today because I don't like to like overwhelm myself. I went to Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up. You guys probably saw this on my story because I just posted it. I got 2 things fall related. I'm very excited. I got this. Oh my god, she's gonna let this. I got this pumpkin shaped waffle maker. This is from Bed Bath & Beyond, and then I got this like chai tea, but it's like pumpkin spice flavored, and I'm really excited for this, mainly because I don't drink coffee and I drink like matcha and like chai lattes and stuff like that, so I'm really excited for the chai tea. and it's pumpkin spice flavor. That's all I picked up. Oh wait, and I picked up this vanilla because I like to add this to my matcha as well. And yeah, I'm really excited to use this. I'm not gonna drink this now because it probably has caffeine and it's late, so I'm gonna use this tomorrow and I'll let you guys know how it tastes. Hey everyone, so it is Wednesday. We are midway through the week. I am like so tired. I'm so tired, you guys. I had my class already, my 9 a.m. to 11 o'clock class. My bed is still a mess, so in order to make me feel better, today's kind of cloudy, so in order to make me feel better, I think I'm gonna fix my bed and then go make that chai pumpkin spice latte thing that I bought. Here it's like a mess, but you guys don't you dare judge me. Don't you dare. All right, I'm gonna just fucking clean my bed and shit. You guys can watch. So, the verdict on this chai tea, I would have preferred it with like oat milk and probably like some simple syrup, because like regular sugar doesn't do it. Like, I don't know, it doesn't get sweet like how it should be getting sweet, if that makes any sense. I'm gonna try this again whenever I pick up oat milk. Hey you guys, so we are in a different setting. Last time you guys saw me, I look completely different. I think I was talking to you guys about like my chai latte. I'm gonna try that with like a different like milk concoction, so like, I can get like a creamier like taste. But anyways, that's beside the point. My room looks crazy because my laundry just came out, so it's haul time. As you guys know, I did go thrifting earlier this week. I want to show you guys the pieces that I picked up. So the first piece is this jacket. After doing like some research on like the buttons and stuff, it says plain pockets on it, so I believe that's like a vintage brand. 30 freaking bucks. Literally the denim and the shirring is like in such good quality that you would think that this is like a new jacket. And I'm gonna just try it on. I believe that this is like a men's, I don't know, like probably like a men's medium or maybe a men's large, just by the way that it fits on me. I don't think it's a women's jacket, but I could be wrong. So this is what it looks like. It's literally the cutest, like I'm bending down. It's literally the cutest fit. I love like my jackets to fit oversized because, as you guys know, in New York, like it does get really cold, so like layering is like key. And this is going to be like the best jacket to layer. You guys, the denim is just so on point. There's no like tag, so I can only refer to like the pockets for like the brand. So I think the brand was Plain Pockets, and then the inside of like the sleeve is like this red, and it's like a quilted stitching. It's not really padded, but I know it's gonna keep me really warm. You guys, I'm so obsessed with this find. Like, I've been wanting the Levi's jacket for a while. I was thinking about buying it for this fall/winter, but I'm like, I don't want to drop that coin. Like, I know I can find it at a thrift store, and I literally like manifested it. I'm literally so happy that I got this jacket, you guys. Oh, also I picked up a jacket from her boyfriend. I'll insert the picture of the jacket that I found him. So he's been wanting like a Carhartt. He's been wanting like the khaki, like, well, the beige colorway, and I ended up finding that one, and I just grabbed it for him because I'm like, I feel like it's gonna look bomb. and it's literally so cute. It has like the gold detailing. I don't know if you guys can see it in this picture that I'm showing you, but it's like, that was also a bomb find. If it didn't fit him, I was just gonna wear it myself because it was literally like so cute. But anyways, these are some Wrangler jeans that I picked up, and they're like the perfect straight leg. Let me bring you guys down a little bit so you guys can see. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see like the leg, but yeah, I need to figure out like a better setup for like hauls, because this ain't it. Anyway, so like these are the pants. They fit my waist like so perfectly, my thighs so perfectly. I have like room, so whenever I eat, I won't have to unbuckle, because I'm known for unbuckling my pants when shit fits me too tight. Like I cannot be bothered being squeezed in like a stuffed sausage in a pair of jeans. So yeah, these are it. It's like the perfect like dark blue denim. These were like 20 and these were also 20. So this is the fit of these. These are a bit baggier, which I don't mind. I think there's either like a hole here or here, I'm not sure, but it doesn't really bother me because it's not like an exposed hole. Look, this is what they look like. They fit my waist very nicely. They're like slightly tapered. They're not as straight as the last pair. I really did luck out, you guys, because like the fact that the fitting rooms were not open, like I was kind of nervous to try these on whenever I got home, but I'm really happy with everything I got. Yeah. I'm probably gonna just catch up with you guys tomorrow because I am tired and I do have class at 9 a.m. and it is 1 a.m. It's 1:26. It's 1:23. Clearly can't read time. Happy Thursday. It's almost the end of the week. I'm literally so tired today. Like I'm just so tired. I already had my class, my 9 a.m. class. I literally just did my work on my bed, practically half asleep. I was really tired this morning, but it's like totally my fault because I went to sleep really late. Dove deodorant, dry spray. You guys should try it. So baby Everly is asleep, so now I get to make my matcha. Even though it is like 1 o'clock now, almost 2, I really want breakfast, so I put some bacon in the air fryer and I'm gonna make some toast, like some everything bagel toast, but I'm gonna use the onion and chive cream cheese spread and it's so good. And then I'm gonna sprinkle it with some everything bagel seasoning. Yes. So while my bacon cooks and my toast, mom is still here, so I need to take advantage and like get at least an hour of studying in before she leaves. To just open my textbook. My toast is toasted. Little tiny meal. It could have been bomb with like a runny egg, but the bacon looks really good. I think I really woke up. Fuck. So I'm just watching them. I hope she comes down soon so I can start. So bomb. I'm gonna eat, study, and I'll talk to you guys. Look how much notes I've taken for accounting, and this is not even the first chapter. Like, I mean, that's not all of the first chapter. It is Friday. I took my last class of the week. I finished it like an hour ago. I have all my work done basically for the week. So I did my little twist out. I didn't insert like the whole thing because it took me like an hour and a half. I'm gonna make the same breakfast I made yesterday, even though it's not even breakfast time. It's definitely 2:30 and I'm eating freaking bacon and toast. But my everything bagel is going to be tasting so good. I really don't know what else to vlog for today. I have no idea what you guys saw last. Probably maybe when I was like cleaning up my room and stuff like that. But it is the end of the week, so that means it is the end of this vlog. I really hope you look at this piece of hair. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you guys watched to the end of this vlog, I really appreciate you guys. I love you all, and I'll see you guys next week.